Hello everyone. So today I'm looking at the concept, I guess. I'm gonna try and say why I think that we exist but don't exist at the same time. So anyone who has taken physics, maybe in the past, would know that the basic concept that we're all made of atoms, really, the small particles. Now everything is matter basically, right? But then atoms has, well, neutrons in the middle and protons and electrons on the outside. And then there's another particle as well called antimatter, which has its protons on the outside and the electrons on the inside. Well, one of the properties of antimatter is just that when it interacts with matter, it cancels each other out. Essentially, it releases 100% energy. So then if that exists, then it kind of brings to the question, well, can't we all be cancelled out? Since we're all made of matter, can't we just be cancelled out by antimatter at any time? I mean, antimatter does exist, and scientists say that, but there's a particle, there's probably like a particle the opposite of that particle. So, yeah. But then it kind of links into the idea of those Schrodinger's cat theory, which when there's a cat in a box and you can't see what's in it, the cat is both alive and dead at the same time. And then when you think about it, we exist but don't exist at the same time, right? As no one can really prove that, you know? Right. How would I like to visualize this idea of that we exist but don't exist as like numbers. As you know, 1 minus 1 equals 0, right? But what if you don't reach the 0 part? Let's say 1 minus 1 and just stays like that. And let's just say you put brackets on the minus 1. So you block the thing from canceling each other out. I kind of want to visualize the world like that. You know? So we're matter, but it's antimatter. It's just that antimatter hasn't really interacted with us yet. It exists, but another part of the universe. It's just that we can be cancelled out, but it just hasn't happened. It's just stationary, almost. That's how I would like to think it, like that. And I would like to think that there are probably infinite universes, and there are infinite possibilities and timelines, essentially. That is how would I like to think it as.